Hello friends, welcome to MasterCAM training session. In this lecture, we will discuss about pocket milling operation open type. So friends, first of all, we will create workpiece or object. So I will click on solid and create a box with center origin. Length value is 80, width value is 50 and height value is 20. Now with center origin here. Okay. Now I will change view in wireframe. Okay. Now in wireframe view I will create rectangular shape with center origin. Width value is 30, height value 30 and the fillet value is 5 with center origin. Okay, so I will click on OK. You will see. Now I will create slot here. So rectangle dimension is 10 by 10 and dimension lock. Okay, you will see. Now create arc polar. So here the center point, radius, now here the start point and end point, and click on OK. Now select this line and delete. Okay, so I will select this whole portion. In translate, by vector origin, reselect. Here select this middle point and select rectangle face middle point. Now click on move method and OK. You will see here. Now same portion apply here by mirror effect. So first of all select this. Here you will see mirror command is available. So click on mirror. Now we will not apply mirror on particular axis. We will select by vector like selection, mirror line first point and mirror line second point. You will see. Now here the copy method option, because we want 2 slot. So I will click on OK. Now I will change the view. So you will see this rectangular portion is in bottom. So in view I will change top, selection, translate. In Z axis I will give value 20, C, OK. Now in view I will change shaded view and in solid I will click on extrude. First of all select this portion. OK. I will give the value 5. Cut body in opposite direction. See. OK. Again extrude. Select this chain and this chain you will select both chain at the same time. OK. And I will change the distance value 3 and OK. So you will see here this is my object and we will apply pocket milling operation here. So first of all this slot is as it is normal pocket. So first of all we will select machine, mill, default. Okay. Now the next point is stock setup. So click on stock setup. I will click all solid. So automatically the dimension is here. I will click on OK. Now pocket. So here click on pocket milling operation. Select your face. OK. Now tool path type. So pocket tool. In library I will select 3 diameter tool. Okay. Holder. So I will select first holder as per our requirement. Cut parameter. So stock to leave on wall is 0 and stock to leave on floor is also 0. Now our pocket type method is standard because our slot is same as this slot. In roughing parallel spiral method, the step over distance is 1. Now entry motion is of finishing. So I wanted 2 passes with 0.5 spacing. Okay. Now depth of cut. So I will on my depth of cut. Rough cut value is a 1. Finish cut 2 with 0.5 spacing. Okay. Now the linking parameters. So top of the stock. So I will click here and select the point. Otherwise I will give directly value. Now the depth and select my depth point here. Okay. So you will see here this is perfect, and if you want to check, so click on verify selected operation. Now you will see I will hide wireframe and axis and just change the speed and play. You will see. Now I will cancel it. Now this portion. So in pocket I will select the wireframe view. Select this chain. Okay. Same tool path. Same tool. Same holder. In cut parameter, I will change the pocket type open, this type, and give your overlap value, like I will give 3. Okay. Now in roughing parallel spiral method and step over distance is 1 of the entry motion. Finishing value same as previous value. Depth of cut is also same. Linking parameters, so I will select top of stock and depth. Okay. So you will see here. Now we will check in verify selected operation and play. So you will see here this portion is available. So that's why I will close. In next lecture we will continue our open type milling operation. Thank you friends.